Meanwhile, the Korean government is scrambling to find solutions to Japan's export restrictions, but the Korean non-memory semiconductor industry stands to receive quite a blow. Korea has come up with mid-term plans such as localizing key materials, but that may not be enough to avert immediate damage to the country's future growth engine.
Last April, Samsung Electronics reported its worst first-quarter performance. At that time, the IT giant announced that it will seek a new growth capability in the non-memory semiconductor sector. On the same day, the government announced its plan to promote the system semiconductor business and pledged to subsidize semiconductor fabrication projects and the foundry sector.
133조 원을 투자하여 파운드리 세계 1위로 도약하겠다는 야심찬 목표를 밝혔습니다. 정부도 적극적으로 돕겠습니다.
But if Japan does not lift its export restrictions, Samsung's plan to become the world's #1 foundry business will be disrupted. That's because photoresist, one of the materials on Japan's restriction list, is key to Samsung's 7-nano process. It's not easy to find a replacement since Japanese businesses dominate 90% of the world market, and over 90% of the Korean businesses' demands are met by this material from Japan.
파운드리 산업의 운명을 좌우할 수 있는 핵심 소재라고 할 수 있습니다. 장기간 공급되지 못한다면 목표를 달성하기가 어렵거나 지연될 가능성이 매우 높습니다.
Japan also has 90% of the world market share on fluoride polyimide and a 70% share on the highly toxic hydrogen fluoride. As Tokyo seems poised to expand its retaliatory export measures, Seoul has decided to support the localization of items with heavy dependence on imports. The government will subsidize the manufacturing of production-ready technologies and increase R&D investment on the technologies ready for commercialization by jointly conducting substantive tests with corporations. Such countermeasures are expected to make Korea's industrial structure stronger in the long run, but diplomatic solutions are needed to soften the immediate and certain blows to the country's high-tech industry.